Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use YouTube Studio and navigate through its main sections in just a few simple steps. Click Content in the left sidebar to open your channel content library where all your uploaded videos are stored and managed. The main content view loads showing your video list with thumbnails, titles, visibility status, and performance data for each upload. Click Analytics in the sidebar to open the Channel Analytics dashboard showing your performance metrics and viewing statistics. The Analytics overview loads with your data organized into tabs along the top for audience insights, reach reports, and engagement breakdowns. The Analytics page displays overview graphs with recent views, watch time, subscribers, and estimated revenue at the top of the screen. Below these summary cards, you'll see a timeline chart tracking your key metrics over your selected date range, with the last 28 days shown by default. Click Community in the sidebar to open the Community section where you can view and manage comments and audience interactions. The Community Hub displays all comments across your channel, with filtering options to sort by published comments, held for review, or likely spam. Click Customization in the sidebar to open the Channel Customization page where you can edit your channel branding and layout options. The Customization editor loads with 3 tabs at the top: Layout, Branding, and Basic Info, with Layout selected by default. Click Settings at the bottom of the left sidebar to open the Settings dialog with various channel configuration options. A Settings panel appears with categories listed down the left side including General, Channel, Upload Defaults, Permissions, Agreements, and Community. Click Upload Defaults in the Settings menu to view and configure default settings that apply to all new video uploads. Click the Close button to exit the Settings dialog and return to the main customization screen. Click Dashboard in the sidebar to return to the main overview page showing your channel summary and recent activity. The Analytics tab gives you the most detailed breakdown of channel performance. Check it regularly to track which videos are gaining traction. If you're uploading frequently, set your upload defaults in Settings to save time by applying the same visibility, category, and description template to each new video. The Community tab shows all comments across your channel in one place, making it much easier to respond quickly than hunting through individual videos. And that's how to navigate YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.